Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining us for what we expect will be an exciting and informative event. I'm your host, Jesse Viscano, and I'm the head of B2B Software and Solutions Product Management for Samsung Electronics America. 2 years ago, Samsung developed a military smartphone capable of connecting to tactical radios out of the box. The Galaxy S20 Tactical Edition resulted from Samsung's years of experience creating tailored solutions for military and defense customers. It deepened our trusted partner status with the tactical operator community and propelled us to where we are now. Today, we are excited to announce what we consider to be a massive leap forward in tactical mobility. Before we get to that, I'd like to introduce Christopher Balsick, Vice President of Samsung Federal Government, who's going to give us a few words to kick things off. Chris, over to you.
Thank you, Jesse, and good morning, everyone. I'm Chris Balsick, and I lead Samsung's U.S. Federal Business Practice. I'm excited today to discuss our latest product, the Galaxy S20 Tactical Edition. This device is a mission-ready military smartphone built with industry-leading security features. It gives the warfighter a unique capability to achieve their objectives in any tactical environment. As a former officer in the Air Force, I understand the importance of communication in the field, but more importantly, how critical it is to ensure that mission requirements are fully understood in the development of new technology solutions intended to support and, more importantly, enhance mission performance and effectiveness. With that understanding, we developed the Galaxy S20 Tactical Edition in partnership with the Department of Defense. At Samsung, we have a long and rich history of partnering with our customers. We listen to your feedback, we understand your needs, and we customize solutions to deliver the technology you require. I'm proud of the partnership we have maintained with the Department of Defense, and I'm proud of this product. It will provide the warfighter an edge in the field while providing IT teams an easy-to-deploy, highly secure mobile solution. The Galaxy S20 Tactical Edition was built with you and for you, and it will get the job done.
Thank you, Chris. Next, I'd like to introduce Jamie Wu and Aaron Kuzmeskis to talk about some of the things we learned from the S9 Tactical Edition and the key considerations that shaped our next-gen solution. Guys?
Thanks, Jesse. When we launched the S9 Tactical Edition at SOFIC in 2018, it was unlike anything else on the market at that time. A COTS military smartphone that easily connected to tactical radios, certified and approved for use. We took the time to put that device through the certification processes so it met the most stringent requirements. Our customers were receptive, and the device was tested, fielded, and proven within the SOC community. We sure learned a lot about integration through those initial deployments.
Couldn't agree more, Jamie. One of the biggest things we took away from the early days of that device was the fact that it had to work seamlessly with a wide variety of tactical radios and other peripherals. UAVs were becoming more and more prevalent, and drone feeds were an incredible source of situational awareness data. The device needed to be open and secure to integrate to these data feeds seamlessly when running situational awareness applications like ATAC and APAS.
And while our customers needed a reliable end-user device to take out into the field, they wanted to use the same device for mission planning, training, and everyday use. Features like DeX became incredibly popular among customers who wanted to run mission applications in the field and enterprise applications in garrison or training facilities and anywhere else the mission took them.
And we can't forget about network support. At launch, the S9 was built exclusively as an unlocked device. As time went on and new use cases emerged for things like emergency management, multi-carrier network support became critical to our National Guard customers. Working with our partners at Verizon and AT&T, we brought the S9 Tactical Edition to their networks.
So as the S9 began approaching the end of life, we started development on the next generation solution. Based on our customer experiences, we knew it had to have even more power and efficiency with enhanced features for command and control.
And it also had to have support for the next generation networks that were quickly emerging, like 5G and Wi-Fi 6.
And it also needed to be more versatile. One device to satisfy all your mission requirements in the field and everywhere else. We took all those requirements back to our team at Samsung and came up with the next evolution of our tactical portfolio. With that, it is my extreme pleasure to introduce the next generation of mission-ready mobility, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Tactical Edition. This is the mission-ready military smartphone built for and proven by operators. It has more power to help you achieve your tactical objectives in any environment. It comes pre-configured with software to easily connect with tactical radios, laser rangefinders, external GPS devices, and drones. Basically, any mission system you use on the battlefield, it will connect to right out of the box.
From launch, the S20 Tactical Edition will support current and next generation networks from multiple carriers as well as private SIM. It now has 5G support built in, and it's Wi-Fi 6 and CBRS ready. The S20 really is an incredible platform for command and control.
Its 64-bit octa-core mobile processor has the power and efficiency to run multiple tactical applications like ATAC, APAS, or BATDOC. And it has all those features you've come to expect in a mission-ready tactical solution from Samsung. Night vision mode to turn on and off LED and LCD backlight while wearing night vision devices. Stealth mode to disable LTE and E911 and mute all RF broadcasting from complete off-grid communications. And new for the S20 Tactical Edition, we've added lock screen auto rotate, which unlocks the device in landscape mode for easy access when mounted to the operator's chest.
And with new pro-grade 64 megapixel camera on the S20, you can take high resolution images in 8K video, even in low light, so you can capture better intel without giving away your position. And the intelligent battery on the S20 Tactical Edition has 30% more capacity than the original S9 Tactical Edition. It also optimizes power consumption based on your application use, so you can stay in the field longer.
Of course, all this power and functionality has to come with defense-grade security. The new dual DAR architecture of the S20 Tactical Edition provides 2 layers of data encryption, even when the device is powered down or locked. This means you can store up to top secret level data on the device. The S20 Tactical Edition also includes the latest defense-grade hardware-based security platform.
The S20 Tactical Edition is a proven end-user device that's operationally ready for deployment, but we also built it to do more when you're not in the field. Let me show you how DeX transforms the S20 Tactical Edition from a mission-ready military smartphone into a desktop-like computing experience without a laptop. One of my favorite features of the S20 Tactical Edition is the side button that serves as a tactical quick launch application button. The button is programmable from within the device settings with no special customization required, which is a new feature on the S20. ATAC launches instantly with the pushable button and is much more screen real estate than the previous Tactical Edition. This was something a lot of our customers were asking for. In fact, with the bezel-less design of the S20's 6.2-inch AMOLED screen, we were able to gain an inch of diagonal viewing area with just a centimeter increase in length. But when I connected to an HDMI monitor using a dongle plugged into the USB-C port, the S20 Tactical Edition goes from end-user device to command and control center solution, and everything works beautifully. I've also connected a USB-C monitor, keyboard and mouse to get a true PC-like experience with no laptop required. I can perform all of the functions of ATAC from the same device, but on a much larger screen. I can also use the S20 in DeX mode to answer emails, use Microsoft productivity apps like PowerPoint, and even join a video conference. You can also connect a CAC card reader to initiate authenticated virtual desktop sessions. Again, no laptop is necessary.
Thanks, Aaron. As you can see, the Galaxy S20 Tactical Edition is ready to take on any mission you throw at it. Whether it's used by operators for situational awareness, JTACs for close air support, PJs for battlefield triage, or with our DeX in-vehicle solution for real-time mission updates en route. So I hope you're as excited as we are to get the Galaxy S20 Tactical Edition in the hands of your operators. We are targeting general availability of the device for this summer.
Thanks, Jamie and Aaron. That was some exciting news and a great demonstration of this new versatile device. Well, I know we have only a few minutes left, but I'd like to use the remaining time for questions. We have a few prepared questions from our customers and partners, but please feel free to submit some questions now and we'll be sure to answer them after the event. All right, here comes our first question. Have you done anything to streamline procurement and deployment of the S20 TE even further than the previous version?
I can take that one. The answer is yes. One major difference is the custom ROM will be flashed at the factory. That will simplify procurement because the hardware and software will come from one place as a single SKU, rather than having to purchase hardware from one vendor and software from another. It'll also speed up provisioning and deployment because you no longer have to flash the devices yourself.
The next question asks, when will support for the current S9 TE end? And how long will support for the S20 TE last?
Thanks, Jesse. I can take that one. The S9 Tactical Edition is going end of life at the end of June. The S20 Tactical Edition will be supported for 2 years from when we launched the device earlier this year. We will provide 3 maintenance releases during the product's life cycle, which you can deploy through one of our ePhoto solutions or via sideload.
Thanks, Jamie. The next questioner wants to know, how will the device be sold, and will there be an opportunity for partners to work with Samsung closely to ensure the best customer experience possible?
Great question. Yes, our partner ecosystem is critical to the success of this device. We already have great partners like Juggernaut and CADWorks developing case solutions for this device. We're working with partners like Black Diamond, PAR Government, Persistent Systems, and Viasat to ensure the best deployment and management experiences for their customers. And as we get closer to general availability later this quarter, we'll be rolling out a series of partner resources, webinars, and materials to ensure the successful rollout and deployment of the S20 Tactical Edition.
Well, unfortunately, that's all the time we have for this morning. But we will document and respond to all of your questions submitted. We invite you to learn more about the Galaxy S20 Tactical Edition by visiting our website at samsung.com/tactical edition. Thank you again for your time and enjoy the rest of your day.